Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into understanding conditions in Python. From simple if statements to more complex nested conditions, we will cover all you need to know to control the flow of your Python programs. Let's get started. Conditions are fundamental to programming, allowing you to execute different code based on certain tests. These tests are performed using if statements, the backbone of decision making in Python. In this example, Python evaluates whether the age is 18 or older. If the condition is true, it executes the print function. Simple, right? But what if you have multiple conditions? Here we added elif and else to handle different age groups. Elif lets you check multiple expressions for true and execute a block of code as soon as one of the conditions evaluates to true. Let's talk about combining conditions. You can use logical operators like and, or, and not to make more complex conditionals. For example, this condition checks if a person is both over 18 and taller than 160 cm. Both conditions must be true to print the message. But what if you need to check conditions within conditions? That's where nested if statements come in. For example, nested if statements let you specify an additional condition that's checked only if the first condition is true. They are powerful, but use them wisely to keep your code readable. Remember, conditions are all about making decisions in your code. Here are a few best practices. First one, keep your conditions simple and clear. Second, avoid too many nested if statements. They can make your code hard to follow. Third, test your conditions to ensure they cover all possible scenarios. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you master conditions in Python. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Have questions or want to see a specific topic? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.